body moving in a linear motion starts with an initial velocity of 5 meters per second. Its acceleration after 10 seconds is 6 meters per second square. What is the velocity at this instance? A body moving in a linear motion starts with an initial velocity of 5 meters per second. Its acceleration after 10 seconds is 6 meters per second square. What is the velocity at this instance? So we are going to be solving this question today. Welcome to my channel. So let's take the question once again. A body moving in a linear motion starts with an initial velocity of 5 meters per second. Its acceleration after 10 seconds is 6 meters per second square. What is the velocity at this instance? Okay, so let's move on with the solution. So acceleration A is equal to what? V minus U over T. So V is what? The final velocity, and then U is the initial velocity, and then T is what? Time. Okay, so acceleration A is equal to V minus U over T. A is what? The acceleration. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, and then T is time. I hope you understand. Alright, so from the question, the acceleration is what? 6 meters per second square. 6 meters per second square. The time T is what? 10 seconds. And then the initial velocity U is what? 5 meters per second. So we are to solve for what? V, that is the final velocity. I hope you understand. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, so we are going to solve for the final velocity, which is what? V. So what we do is we are going to transpose the formula, that is A equals V minus U over T, to make V the subject. I hope you understand. So V is equal to what? U plus AT. V is equal to what? U plus AT. So let's substitute the values. Okay, so we have V equals U, which is what? 5, that is the initial velocity, 5 meters per second. So U is what? 5 plus 6 multiplying 10. 6 is what? The acceleration, that is 6 meters per second square. So 6 is the acceleration, and then 10 is what? The time, 10 seconds. So 5, which is the initial velocity, plus 6, which is the acceleration, multiplying 10, which is what? Time. So U plus 80, that is what we have here, 5 plus 6 multiplying 10. I hope you understand. Alright, so let's continue. So 6 times 10 is going to be what? 60. So when you add 5 to 60, we are going to get what? 65. And it's in what? Meters per seconds. So the final velocity, V, is what? 65 meters per seconds. Thank you so much for watching the video.